Hi, we will try to know the manufacturer or the brand of a PC RAM with CMD. Now simply go to Start and type CMD and go there. Now carefully type the writings you can see on the screen, and this will be on the description too. That is WMIC, memory chip, gate, device locator, comma, manufacturer. And enter. You can see that I have two RAMs, and RAM 1 is of Samsung brand and RAM 2 is of ADATA technology. So these are the exact information about the RAMs, and you can definitely check this way to get true and proper information. I'm gonna show you more way to check RAM info. Go to Start and then Task Manager. Under Performance, go to Memory, and here all the information about RAM is available, as you can see, such as DDR version, DDR3 or DDR4, RAM speed, slots occupied, etc. And these are valid information from your PC itself. I hope it helped you to get enough information about PC RAM. Please subscribe to Joseph IT and inspire us to make more videos like this. Goodbye.